Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to delete your Vistaprint account. All right, so first up, open up a browser. Now go ahead and go to vistaprint.com. All right, and just hit on enter. Now if it requires you to log in, just go ahead and log in. Now go to the top right and hover your mouse onto my account. Okay, now in here, just go to account settings. Okay, click on it. Now, once you're in here, you have personal info and security. And these tabs, just click on security. And here, as you can see, we have delete account, start process. Just click on this link. Now it says here you want to delete your account. If you want to read through this, you can go ahead and read it. If not, if you're really sure that you wanted to delete your account, just go ahead and click on the drop down right here and just select the reason. For example, I no longer needed this account, or I want to delete my personal data. Okay, I'm just going to select this one and hit on delete account. And there's a little warning here, says deleting your account is permanent and cannot be reversed. Okay, again, if you're really sure, just click on delete account right here. It says here submitting, just wait for it. Now it says here your account deletion is in progress. It may take up to 30 days for the deletion to be completed. We will contact you via email, all right? The email that you have used to create your account if we encounter any impediments while processing your request. That is it. You can now go ahead and close the browser and call it a day. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.